Hi, my name is Janet Smith. Today, Gunjan Shah and I will be showing you how to do large volume filtration of tissue culture media using vacuum or pressure-driven systems. Today we'll be filtering DMEM media. Please consult your user's manual for exact instructions.
Today, we will show you the steps on how to filter sterilize large volumes, 10 to 20 liters, of simulated tissue culture media with a pressure-driven filter unit called the Steripak GP filter. Devices containing 100 square centimeters and 200 square centimeters of filtration membrane. Cautions: use operating pressure maximums of 75 psig and at temps below 45 degrees Celsius. Hose clamps should be used to avoid tube detachment. Set up a 10 to 20 liter volume pressure vessel, or alternatively a peristaltic pump could be used. This filter device can be used to filter most aqueous solutions and medias, but check user manuals for chemical compatibility. Always follow usage and safety precautions and guidelines when using pressure. Use a pump drive and pump head that delivers a constant speed of 60 RPM and generation of an average flow of 100 mils per minute. Note, a fixed speed peristaltic pump delivers a maximum flow of 100 mils per minute. Load the pump head with 7.93 millimeter ID silicone tubing. Peel open the Steripak GP filter package container using aseptic technique and attach the tubing to the inlet using aseptic technique. Remove the unit from the blister pack, connect the unit to a ring stand, and place a sterile collection flask under it. Turn on the peristaltic pump. When done, turn off the pump. Remove and discard the Steripak GP filter and dispose of properly.
If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube video channel.